This is the juiciest tuna belly recipe and I'll share it with you guys. At dahil catering is life, motherhood is lifer, and TikTok is lifest, madalas mo bang napapalpak ang tuna belly? Well, isa-share ko sa inyo ang mga secret kung paano ito maging perfect. It all starts with the freshest high-quality tuna galing kay Hofu Premium Quality. Paki-screenshot para makontak niyo sila if you want to order. Iba kasi talaga yung mga tuna pag fresh from Gensan. So makikita niyo yan sa color. And the packaging ay naka-vacuum seal para ma-maintain yung freshness at hindi nag-freezer burn. So ang magandang tuna belly ay bukod sa sobrang pink siya ay malalaki ang hibla ng mga laman niya at saka yung fat content niya ay proportionate dun sa kapal ng belly. O, diba? So una natin gagawin is we will remove the skin kasi this is not inihaw, this is baked. Next na secret is you will slice it in an angle para pumasok yung mga spices at heat mamaya pag niluto. Sa quality nito, alam nyo ba mga Marichef, 640 per kilo lang tong tuna belly na to. Pero tignan nyo, ang ganda oh. So pag natanggal nyo na yung tuna skin, we'll start seasoning this with a little pepper. And then maglalagay rin tayo ng lemon pepper, Himalayan salt, or kahit anong salt, and the barbecue steak rub, which is yung pampasarap niya. And then mag-add tayo ng soy sauce, calamansi, and kailangan talaga may olive oil. Kung mapapansin nyo, medyo frozen pa ito because I want to work with it while it's still fresh. So after rubbing all the spices and marinating this for 20 minutes, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo that it is also very important na ipe-preheat natin yung oven for 20 minutes. So, 250 degrees Celsius ito. Sinet ko sa 1 hour. Pero halfway through, tsaka ko na nilagay yung ating bibibake na tuna. Kapag sobrang init na kasi yung oven, nape-prevent niya from watering out yung ating tuna. At nagiging mas juicy ito. Ayan. So, after 20 minutes, ito na ang itsura niya mga Kamarichef. You can see that it's super juicy. So, what are you waiting for? Order na rin kayo sa Hofu. Bye-bye!